Ever wondered what makes hyenas so fascinating? In the next few seconds, you'll learn 5 amazing facts about them. First, hyenas aren't just scavengers. They're skilled hunters too, catching up to 95% of their own food. Second, the female spotted hyena is more dominant and larger than the male. That's rare in the animal kingdom. Third, hyenas communicate through laughs. These sounds indicate social status and emotions. Fourth, their bite is incredibly powerful. With a strength of 1,100 CI, they can crush bones easily. Lastly, hyenas are exceptional climbers and swimmers. They adapt to various environments effortlessly. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more amazing facts.